Hey guys, Joe here at the DVE store. So I'm going to show you real quick how to remove the battery door on the Blackmagic Pocket 4K camera, and that way you can install a LPE6 dummy battery, whether you're going with like an NPF setup or you're using the CoreSwx Powerbase Edge. So let's dive in and I'll show you how to do this. Okay, so the easiest way to remove the battery door is going to be opening up the door latch here, and you can see there is a little black kind of like lever, pull lever style. So what we want to do is we want to pull that back towards the camera, and we'll go ahead and pull that back, and then one side, as you can see here, will pop out and then that slides out. So the way that this system works here is this knob here is always fixed and then this one moves. So if I were to pull that back, you can see the spring going back, so that one side is the area where you'll pull that side out first and then the whole thing will come out. So now you're ready, you can install your dummy battery in like there, and then the battery will just attach to the bottom of the camera, or if you're going to another accessory. So if you're worried about having this exposed, a really easy solution for this is gaff tape. So you can easily seal this off with some gaff tape in case you're out in like dusty environments or worried about getting anything in there. You could even get creative and poke a tiny little hole for this wire to go through, but I think that's a little extreme. But just get enough tape on there to seal it off and you'll be good as having the battery door on there. All right, so now to install the battery door back in, what we'll want to do is we'll pull this lever back, and then you'll see the spring come back, and we'll want to put this side in first since this one's fixed, and it'll easily slide in once we have this pulled back. So I'll go ahead and pull this back like so, and I'll put this back part in first, and then it'll just slide right in, and then you can just let go, and then you kind of just wiggle a little bit, and you'll hear a click, and then it locks back in. So now it's back to working. Well, that's the easy way for removing and installing the battery door. If you have any questions, I'll put my email address down below, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks, guys.